Industry. Today I am going to tell you a story. My story name is Happy and Healthy Living. Once there was a little girl named Bindu who was always so smiling and full of energy. One day her friends asked curiously, Bindu, how are you always so happy? Bindu giggled and said, I have a secret recipe for a happy life. She counted her fingers and began. Step 1. I drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day. It keeps my body fresh and protects me from the diseases. Step 2. I do exercises, dancing, skipping and cycling. It makes my heart feel light and my body strong. Step 3. I eat colorful vegetables, fruits because healthy foods gives me the real superpower. The most important step, I try to be kind, I help my friends, I spread smile and wherever I go. Soon her friends tried a recipe too. And guess what? They all happier, healthier, stronger together. So remember friends, eat healthy, stay active, drink water. That's the real magic for a happy life. Thank you.